How to use anti-gravity in mobile. So if you're looking for the classic anti-gravity Python Easter egg on mobile, you are hitting a wall. Mobile browsers lack a native Python console. However, if you are a developer looking to build anti-gravity physics into a mobile app, you need to leverage the device's MEMS sensors. So to build the mobile app, do not hardcode a constant. Look into the device's hardware. So for iOS, you can use the CMM Motion Manager. On Android, Sensor Manager. You want to capture the gravity vector, which reports how the phone is held relative to the Earth. So create a listener that captures the X, Y, and Z values of the accelerometer. Instead of passing these values through your physics engine to pull objects down, multiply every incoming vector value by -1. This mathematically inverts the Earth's pull, forcing objects to accelerate toward the top of the screen. And you can use this implementation logic for a typical mobile physics controller. You are essentially creating a negative G field that updates every frame based on the device's current orientation. If the user rotates the phone, the anti-gravity vector rotates with it, keeping the up direction consistently relative to the device chassis. So that is it. By decoupling your physics engine from the device's default orientation and mapping it via the sensor output, you create a responsive, tactile user experience. So use this code, guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.